Presented programmer is used in radial and cassette honey extractors. Programmer has safety switch and button 01 used for switching on and switching off the honey extractor. Programmer is equipped with digital screen. Operating the programmer is done by using buttons Start, Stop, buttons arrow left and arrow right, which are to change parameters, and buttons arrow up and arrow down, which are to move in the menu. Programmer has 8 programs. Switch on honey extractor with 01 button. And in order to activate manual program, press Start button. In manual mode, there is a possibility of speed regulation in range from 10% to 100% by using buttons arrow left and arrow right. Manual program is stopped by pressing button Stop. Third program, P3, is automatic program. You can activate it by pressing Start and stop it by pressing Stop. Programs from 4 to 8 we can program by our own. Each program consists of 7 steps. In order to enter programming menu, we need to switch off honey extractor using button 01, wait 10 seconds until the display is off, and switch it on again. When Lyson is displayed, we press and hold in the same time buttons arrow left and arrow right until there is programming displayed on the screen. Press Start button and we can set our own parameters. Using buttons arrow up and arrow down, we choose the program which we want to set from 4 to 8. Confirm by pressing Stop button. In the program we set 7 steps. Numbers of steps are given in the brackets. In each step we set 3 parameters: S, which is speed, D, which is direction, and T, which is time of spinning. Parameter S we set by using buttons arrow left and arrow right. We can change speed in the range from 10% to 100%. To the next parameter, which is direction, we go using buttons arrow up and arrow down. Using buttons arrow left and arrow right, we choose spinning direction. 0, which is right direction, and 1, which is left direction. Using arrow up and down, we go to the next parameter, which is time. Time is given in seconds. Time in the step we set by using buttons arrow left and arrow right. In the next steps, parameter speed and direction we set in the same way as in the step 1. But time in each following step we set as a sum of current and all previous steps. For example, in the first step, time is 10 seconds. In order to set 20 seconds for second step, we need to set time parameter for 30 seconds in the second step. After setting is done for each steps, we press green button Start, and programmer will remember all settings. Then we need to select program which we want to activate by using buttons arrow up and arrow down and press button start. Control has option of language selection. In order to set the language, we have to go to the programming mode. To do that, we have to switch off the honey extractor using button 01 and then switch it in on again. When there is Lyson displayed on the screen, we press and hold buttons arrow left and arrow right in the same time until there is programming displayed on the screen. Using buttons arrow up and arrow down, we go to language selection and we press button start. Choose desired language using buttons arrow up and arrow down. And confirm with stop button.